So my mom just bought something called black egg or century-old egg. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it. If you haven't either, I'm sure you're curious just as much as I am. So let's go check it out. Why is it black?
That's what it is. That's how it ferments.
And you said they put it in like a clay?
Yeah, this is they take an egg and they put it in clay for about a year.
Yes.
That's how they ferment it, and it turns black.
Ugh.
Some of them hold consistency and are solid like this, and some are kind of broken down. So this is it. Now I don't have a sharp knife. Hand me a sharp knife.
They're also right.
Is there a sharper one? No, that's it.
That big. It's hard, but it's okay. I got just a few pieces to.
Wow, that knife is not sharp at all.
I know. When you open it.
Oh my goodness. Ugh. Look at it, and it's clear. It's like a jelly.
Yeah.
I said, why are you gonna get being filmed? Oh my God.
Okay, Nama.
What?
Okay.
Well, chew it and try it.
And slowly has to turn around. Oh my God, I can't. It's like me.
Look,
It's
Please.
eggs.
look this.
Try it.
Just stick it. Take it like a champ.
Wait.
Tastes like eggs.
Yeah.
See?
No. Something remind me of something, and no. Oh girl, I cannot swallow.
What is that? Water?
No, this is whiskey.
Oh.
Oh my God, girl, I don't have any worm in there.
I ain't trying this. Never mind.
There's like
Never mind.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to the Hawaii Convention Center, downtown Honolulu, for the Honolulu Festival. We are attending an event called the Art Flee. Emily found it on Facebook, so we're going to go and check that out right now. Oh, we hit traffic. Shoulda known. Shoulda known. So the one thing I hate about attending events, especially if we're going to go past the time the event starts, the fact that traffic builds up so quickly here in town. If that is something you're going to do, it's probably best that you familiarize yourself with a lot of the back roads, have an alternate route, a plan A, B, C, D, all of the above. We're trying to get to the convention center right now, and it is a pain to get there. We're going around, back streets here and there. Now we're going to cut through Ala Moana. All right, we found parking right in front. Ooh, perfect. All right, we made it. This is it's cool. This is neat. Let's take a look around. They got all kinds of stuff here. Emily stopped to go get food, so Raiden and I are gonna go look around some more. There's a big concert-looking thing over here. Let's go check that out. Go try to get a front row seat.
ハワイコンベンションセンター3階の310シアターにのぜひこちらの方もご参加ください。